So guys, I boiled my peas, I added some coconut milk and all of that. Now I'm adding some fresh seasoning, some scallion thyme, scotch bonnet pepper. I added some garlic as well. And you know, I'm using round red peas. I don't know how many people are familiar with it, but this peas cook very fast, so I tend to like to use it. Now I'm adding a small piece of butter. I wasn't using the fresh coconut milk, guys. I using powdered coconut milk, hence I used the butter. Okay, you know, the fresh coconut milk is richer, so that's the reason I use some butter. Alright, I did add a small piece of sweet pepper. Sweet pepper make your rice and peas taste good. Alright, so I season my chicken. I'm cooking maybe about 2 pounds of chicken, because I always say my family is small. Unless I'm cooking for a bigger number of people, then I cook no food. But today I'm not cook no food. Alright, so I'm gonna fry my chicken now. The oil is relatively hot, so I'm gonna fry them. Make sure you remove majority of the first season, because you know you want to put them in the pot and then the season burn. Alright, so remove your first seasoning, and guys, me just add some, you know, my favorite seasoning onto my chicken. So you just season your chicken based on your preference, and if you like, I could leave the ingredients down in the description box as well. So I'm gonna just finish all my chicken pieces into the pot, but remember, you know, remove the excess seasoning if you use fresh season by your own. Alright guys, okay guys, so my rice is coming down nicely. It's almost finished, so I'm just gonna remove my first season, fluff up the rice, and then I'm gonna just cover the pot and let it finish, you know, steam without the flame under it. Alright guys, so I use some white rice for this recipe. Most of the times I use parboiled rice, but today I only had the white rice, so I'm gonna use them off. Alright, so I'm just gonna move on to the next step after I fluff up my rice. Now this is not a detailed video, so I did my fry and cook down chicken. I'm gonna leave the link in the phone, and I did my rice and peas. I'm gonna leave the link in the phone too. So as you can see, the rice has enough, like, you know, you have some liquid in there. You want to reduce some more, so the flame will the steam rather will remove the rest of the liquid from the rice. Alright, so I'm gonna just cover the pot and let it, you know, do its thing. Alright, so I'll move over to the chicken and finish cook down my chicken. Alright guys, so I never have one up another pot after I finish fry, so I just transferred back all them chicken there into the pot. Now I rinse the bowl and with the seasoning and all of that. So I'm gonna just cook down the chicken now. So I'm gonna add some flavoring. Alright, so first I add some ketchup. Now guys, if you fry chicken now one over oil, make sure you remove the excess oil. But I did not use a lot of oil, so I'm gonna need to remove mine. Alright, now at this point you could have fried up your seasoning, your first seasoning, then add the water. But I did not choose to do that way today. So anyway you do it guys, this chicken still gonna taste good, you know. Once you season it good, once you cook with love, your food still gonna taste good. Alright, So because I added the water and the oil was in the pot, hence you know you can see the oil settle on top. But no worry myself, I'm not gonna taste the oil of the food. Alright, so I add some browning because even though my fried chicken is still didn't need to come out color to me. Alright, so I added some fish and meat sauce. That's my choice. You don't necessarily have to add it to yours. And any other thing you want to add to your chicken, if you want to add some soy sauce, you know, anything you want to add, guys. Your kitchen, you just taste and cook your food and cook it to your liking. Alright, so I'm gonna do a taste test off camera, of course, and then when I do it, I realized that I needed some more flavoring, so I'm adding a little all-purpose seasoning. Now, everybody tastes but different. Maybe you not go want any in yours, but maybe you want some in mine. Alright guys, so I added some more fresh seasoning, some onion, garlic, ginger, some sweet pepper, some carrot. Now you can cut a carrot in any style you want. And yeah, I said sweet pepper already. Some pimento seed. And I love add ginger in my chicken, but the ginger is not a must. And I added a small piece of scotch bonnet pepper. I don't know where the scotch bonnet pepper part is, but I know somebody has some scotch bonnet in there. So I'm gonna just make my chicken cook down now. And you know, if you see anything else in your kitchen where you want to add in your pot when you cook yours, okay, see the pepper there now, you can just go ahead, guys. Alright, cook your food with love, and you know, make your family happy, make yourself happy too. So at this point, guys, the chicken is done, so I'm gonna put out the flame now. I am going to plate up some, and this is the end product. Now I have my chicken, I have my rice and peas in my plate, I have some fried plantain, and I have some tomato slices. Alright, so I want to say thank you for watching and keep safe.